Aprilia has propelled the SR125 at the Auto Expo 2018 at a sticker price of Rs65,310, ex-showroom Pune. Its greater kin, the SR150, has been a noteworthy accomplishment for the Italian bike marque in India, and the SR125 should make the Aprilia marque significantly more open to the majority. As you can make out from the pictures, the Aprilia SR125 looks precisely like its bigger kin. Be that as it may, it gets updated stickers to influence it to stand separated from the SR150. Likewise, Aprilia will offer the new 125cc bike in two new shades, silver and blue. Discussing rivals, the new Aprilia 125 will contend with the Honda Grazza, Suzuki Bergman Street and the TVS Torque 125. In future, the SR125 bike will be offered with Bluetooth portable network. Riders will have the capacity to get to vehicle diagnostics through an application accessible on both Android and iOS stages. One can even access route applications to find benefit stations, oil pumps and Aprilia showroom and administration focuses separated from conveying alarms if there should be an occurrence of a crisis. Fueling the new bike is a 124.49cc, air-cooled engine sourced from the Vespa 125 that conveys 9.65 PS of energy at 7,250 revolutions per minute and 9.9 Nm of torque at 6,250 revolutions per minute. This engine is mated to a CVT. The two bikes even offer a similar edge. The SR125, be that as it may, gets bigger 14-inch wheels which guarantees to make it significantly more enjoyable to ride around corners. Braking is finished by a 220mm plate and twin-cylinder gliding caliper at the front and a 240 drum at the back. Suspension obligations are taken care of by 32mm adaptive forks in advance and a monoshock unit at the back. It likewise packs a 6.5-liter fuel tank. Since the bike utilizes a littler removal engine, we expect the new Aprilia SR125 to be marginally more economical than its senior kin. Aprilia likewise exhibited the SR150 race in another uniform. The other item that was displayed at the Italian brand structure was the RS150, which was acquired to check the reaction on a group of onlookers. The organization will accept and approach its dispatch in light of it.